The original Yucatan flavor. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. To marinate, 1.5 pounds pork ham, 4 garlics, 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon oregano, half cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 6 allspices, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 ounces achiote, half red onion, half orange juice, half lemon juice. Set into the fridge from 6 hours to 24 hours. Topping: 1 bunch fresh coriander, 2 habanero chilies, 1 garlic, half red onion, half orange juice, half lemon juice.